Hey everyone, I'm Callum, and I'm from a quiet farm town called Firth, Nebraska. When the time came to step away from my comfort zone, Utah State gave me the perfect place to grow, offering not just education, but a community that feels like family. My journey to Utah State began in high school, where I performed well academically. Because of this, Utah State offered me a generous academic scholarship, making college more accessible for my family. Arriving in Logan, I was greeted by a campus buzzing with energy and possibilities. It didn't take me long to realize I'd made the right choice in coming here. As a nutrition science major, I've always been drawn to the intersection between community and health. Growing up in a rural area, I witnessed firsthand the challenges faced by underserved communities in accessing quality healthcare. That's why I've set my sights on becoming a rural physician, and this robust program is preparing me exceptionally well for this path. Utah State is home to the second oldest undergraduate research program in the nation, second only to MIT. Students can get involved early, gaining real-world experience and making an impact in their field before graduating. At the HINTS Nutrition Laboratory, I've delved into groundbreaking research on the human microbiome, the bacteria that resides in our digestive tract, and its profound impact on overall health. This hands-on experience not only complements my academic pursuits, but also fuels my passion for bridging the gap between medicine and nutrition. But my involvement at Utah State goes beyond the laboratory. As a pre-health peer advisor here at USU, I get to guide and support students on their own journeys towards careers in healthcare. It's a role that's as rewarding as it is challenging, and it's shown me the sense of community that comes from mentoring those around you. Of course, life at Utah State University isn't all about academics and career preparation. I make the most of the incredible facilities right here on campus when I'm not studying. After class, I enjoy working out at the Aggie Rec Center, a 105,000 square foot state-of-the-art gym that offers indoor basketball courts, indoor track, a spacious cardio loft and fitness center, and even a rock climbing wall. Logan has so many outdoor opportunities, and campus recreation is the perfect way for students to connect to the outdoors. From kayaks to camping gear, students can rent equipment from the outdoor rental shop. You'll also see me across the street at Aggie Blue Bikes, where I repair my mountain bike for free. In the warmer months, I enjoy biking downtown to my Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu classes. In the winter, I take advantage of the free public transportation around Logan and Cache Valley in order to stay dry while getting where I need to go. As I look ahead to the future, I do so with confidence, knowing that I'm on the right path to improving access to medical care in rural communities with the help of Utah State University. Go Aggies!